In this video, we're going to walk through how to make a YouTube Shorts thumbnail in Canva step by step in a way that's simple, beginner-friendly, and very easy to follow. Even if you've never used Canva before, even if you're brand new to creating content, or even if this is your first time working with YouTube Shorts. I'll be explaining everything slowly and clearly, so you can follow along without feeling overwhelmed, and you can pause the video at any point if you want to take action as we go. Now, before we dive in, let me ask you a quick question. Is it actually possible to create a custom thumbnail for YouTube Shorts? A lot of people believe the answer is no. Many creators assume that YouTube automatically picks a random frame and that you have no control over it at all. But the truth is, yes, it is absolutely possible to use a custom thumbnail for YouTube Shorts. And once you understand how this works, it can make a huge difference in how many people click on your shorts, especially when your content starts showing up on channel pages, search results, or suggested videos. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. To give you a clear outline of what you'll learn in this video, here's a quick overview. First, I'll show you how to create a YouTube Shorts thumbnail in Canva, completely from scratch, step by step, without using any templates. And second, I'll show you how to use that custom thumbnail when uploading your short to YouTube, so the exact design you created is the one people actually see. So make sure you watch until the end, because both parts work together. If you're ready, let's get started. All right. The first thing we're going to do is head over to Canva. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Create a Design button right at the top of the screen. This is where all designs in Canva begin. Go ahead and click on that. Now, in the search bar, type in YouTube Shorts. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Shorts. This step is very important because Canva will automatically open a canvas with the correct vertical dimensions that are specifically optimized for shorts. That way, you don't have to worry about sizing, cropping, or formatting issues later. Give it a few seconds to load. And once the editing page opens, you should see a blank vertical canvas in the middle of your screen along with editing tools on the left-hand side. Now, on the left-hand side, Canva will automatically show you a variety of ready-made templates. These templates are designed to save time, and you can absolutely use them if you want. However, for this tutorial, we're not going to use any templates. The reason for this is simple. I want you to fully understand the process, so you can recreate this anytime with any video for any niche. So let's go ahead and close the Templates panel and start with a blank canvas. Next, we're going to place our video onto the canvas. Go to the Upload section on the sidebar. If your video hasn't been uploaded yet, click on Upload Files. Navigate to the folder where your video is saved on your computer, then click Open or simply double-click the file. Depending on the size of your video and your internet speed, this might take a few seconds. Once the upload finishes, you'll see the video appear in your Uploads panel. To add it to the canvas, you can either drag it onto the page or simply click on it once. And just like that, your video is now added to your design. You can resize the video manually by dragging the corners, or for a faster and cleaner method, right-click on the video and choose Set Image as Video Background. This will automatically fit the video perfectly into the canvas without stretching or distortion. If you want to reposition the video, just double-click on it. This allows you to move the video inside the frame and adjust the focal point. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Done. Now, this next part is very important, so pay close attention. Creating a thumbnail for a YouTube short is different from creating a thumbnail for a regular YouTube video. And the reason is simple. With YouTube Shorts, you can't upload a separate thumbnail image from the desktop. Instead, YouTube pulls the thumbnail directly from a frame inside the video. So what we're going to do is design the thumbnail inside the video itself. That way, when we upload the short later, we can manually select that exact frame and use it as our custom thumbnail. This method gives you full control over how your short appears. For this example, we're going to design the thumbnail using the first few seconds of the video. This is very important because it makes it much easier to find later when you're selecting the thumbnail on your phone. Now let's start designing. First, go to the Elements section. We're going to add a rectangle. You can search for one manually or simply press R on your keyboard as a shortcut. Resize the rectangle and place it wherever you want on the screen. This shape is used to highlight your text and make it stand out from the background. Remember, thumbnails are all about grabbing attention quickly, especially on mobile devices. Now let's add text. Go to the Text section or press T on your keyboard. Type in your main word or phrase. For this example, we'll use pancake. Choose a bold, easy-to-read font. Avoid thin or decorative fonts because most viewers will be watching on their phones. Now adjust the font size, spacing, and alignment until it looks clean and balanced. Change the rectangle's color to something that stands out but still looks professional and easy on the eyes. Now duplicate the text and change the color to white. To make it pop even more, go to Effects and add a shadow. Set the shadow color to black and slightly adjust the transparency so it adds depth without being too harsh. Duplicate the text again and add something like "the best." Make the word "best" larger than the rest because that's the word you want people to notice instantly. Align everything nicely and neatly using Canva's alignment guides. You can also duplicate the rectangle, send it backward, resize it slightly, and then add another word like "recipe" to complete the message. Now play the video to preview how it looks. Make sure the text is clear, readable, and visually appealing. If everything looks good, let's move on. Next, duplicate the page. Click Duplicate Page. On the second page, delete all text and design elements. This page will be the rest of your video without the thumbnail design. Now go back to the first page, click on the video, and adjust the duration to 5 seconds. We only want the thumbnail design to appear during the first 5 seconds of the video. Click Done. Now go to the second page. Since the first 5 seconds are already used, subtract 5 seconds from the remaining clip. Adjust the duration accordingly and click Done. Now let's download the video. Click Share, then Download. Make sure the file type is set to MP4. Adjust any other settings if needed, then click Download. Once it's downloaded, play the video and review it carefully. Now let's move on to the second part of the tutorial, how to use a custom thumbnail when uploading shorts to YouTube. This step is very important. As of now, this option is only available on mobile devices. Make sure your edited video is saved on your phone. Open the YouTube app and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap Create a Short. Select your edited video. You can trim it if you want, but we'll leave it as is for this example. Tap Done. You can add music, text, or filters if you like, but we'll skip that today. Tap the checkmark icon. Before publishing, look at the top left corner of the preview. You'll see a small pen icon. Tap it. Scroll through the video until you find the frame with your thumbnail design. Select it, tap Done, and you're ready to upload. Now, before we end the video, I want to mention something important. What you learned today is a real, usable skill, and skills like this can actually be monetized in ways most people never think of. If you want to learn more, click the link in the description and watch the free video.